In this video, we're going to learn how to make red velvet cupcakes. Grab a 1/4 cup unsalted butter and 3/4 cup sugar, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla, 88 ml of olive oil, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Have your dry ingredients ready: 3/4 cups flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it into your ingredients and fold in gently. Add about 1 teaspoon of red gel color and mix in. Grab your muffin pans and line it with muffin liners. Add your batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for up to 15 minutes. Pull out of the oven, place on a rack and let cool. Add your frosting and enjoy. Thank you for following along with us, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to our channel.